Alright, here's another view of it. See, there's no charcoal burnt marks on it. It's a very odd situation. Very odd issue.
Alright, well, I'm diagnosing this no start issue now that the vehicle's starting. It's my camera's ignition voltage leak. It's going tick, tick, tick. So I took the test light, my second test light. I got one there, one here. Started probing around the cylinder 6 ignition wire. I noticed it was arcing down there on the exhaust heat shield. So I turned it around and I could see a little white dot on it. Can't pick it up on the camera, but anyways, there it is. That's right. Pinhole in the boot. And this is an 05 Equinox. 05 Chevy Equinox. Okay, an hour and 40 minutes. Our voltage from the PCM to the fuel pump relay, 13.5 volts. Fuel pressure still at 60. Our amp draw, it's going from 0.4, 0.3. And by the way, that is powered from the battery cable at the fuse box into the fuel pump relay terminal to the fuel pump. Power probe volts. That is also measuring the fuel pump fuse, now that I got a good fuse in here. That test light, engine ground, and also hooked into the PCM power, which is the red lead. The green lead power probe. The black lead is the voltmeter, and the red lead is the voltmeter. And my parasitic draw tester from Lyle is hooked on the big alligator clamp. And that alligator clamp at the battery cable and then into the back of the Advantage Pro. Common and 10 amps internal.